Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna share details about a popular aprons in Amazon, and you can see that these are the aprons. Two items will come along with one pack and two different colors. In the check color you will get it. So what is the important features? It feels really lightweight, and when you open it, for the neck side you will get two bands to adjust the size of your neck, so which is pretty comfortable. Different size people can easily accommodate it, and there are some waist bands also there, so you can adjust according to your size or thing, which is pretty comfortable. This is a mix of polyester as well as cotton, and the material quality feels really nice, and it's kind of a waterproof activity also they mentioned. So regarding the pocket, in the front side you can see there is a big pocket. Two pockets are there, so you can keep the important items while cooking or cleaning, which is very useful. So this is how the apron is. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and as well as I will tag this product so that you can check the price and other information about this product. So this can be for any cleaning, to protect your clothes, even workshops, cooking, gardening, any multi-purpose activities you can use with this. So this is how it looks around. Please comment if you want to know more about this product. Thank you.